Ditch the heavy, outdated bricks. This is the future of power. The Dyness brooch with LiFePO4 battery.
Hello everyone, this is Frank from Dyness, and today I will introduce our new product to you.
Features standard M8 terminals for easy installation. The integrated Bluetooth module allows for wireless monitoring. The comprehensive manual covers all safety and setup guidelines.
Power perfected, 100 Ah of energy, built with superior leaf pail for safety, all packed into a mini footprint. And yes, it has Bluetooth. Connect instantly via the Dyness app to monitor real-time voltage, current, state of charge, temperature, and capacity from your phone. The size will shock you. This is a true 100 AAGA battery. It's 60% smaller and 70% lighter than lead-acid. Maximum power, minimum space. Power your adventures, from solar storage and RVs to boats and backup power. 4,000 life cycles means power for over a decade. Control power from your pocket. The Dyness app gives you real-time insights, voltage, power, capacity, and temperature. Total peace of mind.